Hello, my name is Nia Muda and welcome to my YouTube channel. It's been a while and I'm very excited to be back. Today we're going to create this design. It is for educational purpose, so it's not to steal design, it's just to create. Now, to create a design, we're going to first get the size. The size is a square. It's a perfect square, 1:1 ratio. Right, so without further ado, let's begin. So I'm going to just reduce this guy. Or instead of that, we'll just leave it like this and then bring the background. This is going to be the background. Right, I can adjust it like this. Right, then we can bring this guy here. This happens to be the text. We can adjust it here. Alright, we can use BBands to get this task given, and then you add your shadow to it, a red shadow. Okay, we can bring this right here. Okay, so you can adjust it right there like that. Okay, if you check here, you see party, a script font. Come over here, let's get a script font party. Okay, understand that the party. So I look for a script font. Okay, so I'll be using is octopus. If you want to download it, is octopus. This is it. Right, I'm going to go to padding and I will bring out this. Right, so check again and see. Alright, so the first thing I want to do is to make sure that it is white. Then second thing I want to do is to go over to the shadow. Check the shadow and see that it's going to be red. So let's go to a red. Let's increase the radius. Let's increase the red. Alright, let's enable this guy too. Alright, then we're going to do this. Okay. Alright, so check again, you will see that there is the guest DJ Ed and DJ Mark. I think we've done something like that before, so let's go DJ Ed and DJ Mark. So we'll go to come over here, DJ Earth and DJ Marks. Okay, so the font we're going to be using is BBands. Alright, we'll put it there and we would bring the spacing together. Alright, let's include this. Alright, so we have the guest there, the script font. Then here we have live music, welcome back, welcome drink, fury parking. Alright, so copy this, put it there. So we'll go live music, welcome drink, free parking. Alright, so we'll go over here and we'll change the color to a yellow. Okay, we can reduce it this time, put it there. Alright, then if you check this one, we have Main Street, New York, free booking, blah 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 blah. Alright, so let's come over here. So for here we have your 9th club present. Okay, so let's just write something there. Your 9th club. Alright, so we can just come over here and look for just one kind of font like that. Alright, so check here, you will see that this is 19 November Friday. So let's go 19 November Friday. So let's put it here, 19th. Okay. Right, so the kind of font that is there is this particular guy. So, right, something like that. Reduce it. Okay. Right, so November. Right. I will just put a shadow to it. Okay. Let's work on this guy. Right, so let's go and change this color to black. Okay. Let me reduce it. Alright, so I'll just copy this guy here and put it there. Friday. Alright, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you get more tutorials like this. Alright, so we have some words right here. Okay, so let's try and see what we can get. So let me go over here and then we'll copy these words. Okay, let's just copy this and put it here. Alright, don't forget to like this video for more tutorial like this. My name is Niamoda, and if you want to get more tutorials, like the video. So we can use this. I don't need to change anything more, so I'm just going to use this, okay, for the purpose of this tutorial. Okay, so we can come over here now and bring the light. So the light we're going to be using, this is it. We'll just place it right here like this. Alright, okay, so there's, alright, we're missing something, so let's close this guy. Let's bring this guy here. Guest. Alright, let's change the color to yellow. Alright, so let's save this first. So I'm going to save this like this. So 10 minutes, 8 minutes is gone, so we've saved it. We're going to take it over to we're going to go over to Pixellab. Alright, we're going to go to Pixellab. We're going to click the plus icon right here, and then we're going to import the design. This design, right, you can finish yours. This design that we just imported. Then we're going to go over to add photo. So we'll click on add photo. We'll click on this guy here. So this happens to be the light effects that we can add to the design. So I'm going to drag it from this part here to this part. See, I'm going to increase it. So we're going to go over to blend. I'll click on blend. I'll click on screen. Alright, click on blend. I click on screen, and I can also adjust it. Alright, I can adjust it. Let's go saturation. Alright, you can adjust this. So when you're done, you can click on save, and a design can be saved. You have it here. This is the design. Alright, as you can see, you can go ahead and save your design. Alright, so if you want to do more work, you can just go over to Snapseed. I don't want this design to pass 10 minutes. So this is Snapseed. You can just go over here and just increase the sharpness like this. Alright, there you have it. My name is Niyamuda. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tutorial like this, and I will see you in another tutorial. Tell me what you enjoy about this tutorial. If you want to replicate this design, check the link in the description to download the resources used.